Hi, welcome to Virtual CB1A. This is Miss Rena, and for this video discussion, we are going to focus on the area of a sector. Doon sa geometry lesson natin before, we identified the area or the formula for the area of a circle with radius r, and it is pi r squared. Now, in this section, ang kailangan lang natin hanapan ng area ay yung sector ng circle. So, for example, ito. Yung shaded region lang, hindi yung buong circle. So, if you are going to find the area of the whole circle, it is easy because we already have the formula pi r squared. But what if ito lang? Para lang siyang isang slice ng pizza. If you are going to get the area of the whole slice of pizza, use pi r squared. But what if isang slice lang ng pizza, yung kukunan mo ng area? What are you going to use as your formula? So, a sector is the region bounded by the central angle and its intercepted arc. Take note, pwede lang siyang i-consider as a sector if it is from a central angle and the intercepted arc of the sides of your central angle. So, such as the shaded region in this one. So, here, let theta be the central angle. Ito siya. Of radius r. This is the length of the side of your angle to one point on the circle. Similar to arc length, the ratio of A to the area of the entire circle is the same as the ratio of theta to 1 revolution. Yun yung gagamitin natin for the derivation of the formula. So, ang ratio ng area of a sector to area of the entire circle is the same as the ratio of the sector angle over 360 degrees or 2 pi, which is 1 revolution. Now, let's put this into symbols. Ang area of a sector will be denoted by the letter A. The area of the entire circle, we are familiar with the formula. We have pi r squared. Ano ang measurement ng central angle? Ang measurement ng central angle ay theta. Ano ang measurement ng 1 revolution in radian? It is 2 pi. From here, we are going to derive our formula A is equal to 1/2 r squared theta. Let's start. Copy natin yung formula dito sa baba. Okay, so the ratio of the area of the sector A over the area of the entire circle, pi r squared, is equal to the sector angle, theta, over the measurement of 1 complete revolution, which is 360 degrees or 2 pi radians. How can we get the value of A? So we have to get rid of the denominator pi r squared. Using multiplication property of equality, multiply both sides by pi r squared. So dito sa isang side, tanggal na siya. Now let's simplify. We have A is equal to theta pi r squared over 2 pi. Are there any common factors between the numerator and denominator? Meron, pareha silang may pi. So, tanggalin na natin sila because pi divided by pi is 1. For the area, we have here, so factor out natin si 1/2. And then, you will be left with theta r squared or A is equal to 1/2 r squared theta. And take note that you can only use this formula if your measurements is in radians. Pag naka-degree yan, you have to convert it first to radians. Okay? Okay. So let's look at some examples. We have to find the area of a sector whose angle is pi over 5 radians in a circle of radius 4 cm. So, ang dali lang nito since ang given na sa atin ay angle in radian measure. So, again, sulat natin dito yung formula for the area. Dahil tamad ako, move na lang natin siya dyan. Okay. So, area of a sector whose angle is pi over 5 radian. So, substitute natin siya into the value of theta, pi over 5 radians. The radius r is equal to 4 cm. So, unitless naman ang radians. We have here A is equal to 1/2 times 4 squared. And then, our theta is pi over 5. Or that is equal to 1/2 times 4 squared is 16. And pi is 3.1416 over 5. Okay. Kuha tayo ulit ng calculator. So, habang nag-iintay tayo na mag-load yung calculator ko, simplify na natin yung mga kaya natin. So, dito, ayan, divide na natin siya by 2. 8 na lang yung matitira dito. So, we have 8 times 3.1416 over 5. Okay. Perform na tayo ng calculation. We have 1/2 times 4 squared times pi over 5. Okay. So, my computed value is approximately equal to 5.02656. And we have a unit of measurement na cm. So, this is centimeter. And of course, we are dealing with area. So, we have here squared. So, 5.02656 square centimeters. Let's check if we have the same value. So, dito, it is 8 pi over 5 square centimeters. But, you can also write this in approximated values such as this. Parehas lang naman. So, this is 8 pi over 5 square centimeter. This is the same as this one. But this is transformed into the approximated value. Okay, next. Dito tayo. So, ito, since naka 117 degrees siya, we have to perform some conversion muna. Kailangan nating i-convert si degree to radians. So, ang theta na given sa atin ay 117 degrees. Or in radians, it is 117 degrees times pi over 180. We have 117 pi over 180 radians, which is equal to 117 pi over 180. This is approximately equal to 2.0420 radians. Okay? And our radius is, as is tayo, 3.5 meters. Now, what is the area of this sector? So, the area is equal to 1/2 r squared theta, which is equal to 1/2 times ang r squared natin is 3.5. Ang ating angle, ito i-square pala. Ang ating angle is 2.0420 radians. So, multiply it by 3.5 squared. Tapos, multiply ulit natin siya by 1/2. So, you will be getting 12.5075 square meters according to my computation. Now, is there a way for us to write this katulad nung kanina in exact values? Meron naman. Tigil ka na dito. Ito yung isa-substitute mo for theta. So, try natin. Kasi yung book, pinapakita rin niya yung exact value. I don't know if in this particular example, ay pinakita rin niya yung exact value. I haven't checked it yet. We have 117 pi over 180. Let's check. Meron ba tayong pwedeng i-eliminate dito? 1/2 times 3.5. Okay, so multiply natin lahat ng numerator. We have 1 times 3.5 squared times 117. You will end up with 5,733 over 4. Ayan. Tapos sa baba, you have 360. Okay. So, this is 5,733 over 4 times 360 over 1. You will end up with 5. Ito ang laki. Ay, teka. Mali ako. Kaya pala ang laki. This is 1 over 360. So, 5,733 you will end up with 3.98125 pi. Or kapag kaya minultiply mo siya by pi, you will still end up with this value. Okay? So, either way, para naman silang tama. So, you can either give me the exact value, 3.98125 pi, or this one, the approximated value, 12.5075 square meters. Parehas ko siyang tatanggapin. Okay? Let's check on the book kung alin yung ginamit niya kasi hindi ako... Ayun, ang ginamit niya pala yung approximated value. Medyo inconsistent tong book. Minsan ang ginagamit niya exact value, minsan ginagamit niya approximated value. But as long as your approximated value is close to the exact value, I will accept it. And of course, I will look at your solution. Kung wala naman kayo na-violate, I will count it as correct. Okay, so for a sector whose angle in a circle of radius r, the length of the arc cut off by that angle is S is equal to r theta. Thus, by formula, the area A of the sector can be written as A is equal to 1/2 times r times S. Note the central angle that intercepts an arc is sometimes called the angle subtended by the arc. Okay, please take note of this formula as well. So, gamitin natin into the example. Hindi ko na siya isosolve step by step. I-run ko na lang kayo through it. So, find the area of the sector whose arc is 6 centimeters in a circle of radius 9. So, our sector is given by the value 6. Our radius is given by the value 9. For finding the area, we will use this formula. A is equal to 1/2 radius times S, which is our arc length. Substitute all the values. We have 1/2 times 9 times 6. We have 27. And then affix your unit of measurement centimeters, and don't forget the square on top of it as its superscript. So this will give you 27 square centimeters. For the application, same principle lang din tayo. So just read through it. Okay, so I think this point here will require me to make another video. So, cut ko na muna at this point. And then, next time, we are going to discuss ito, yung mga area ng circle. Ito. To. Yan. So, yung mga area ng circle, we're in, hindi na siya basta-basta sector lang. Hindi na siya basta na-inscribed lang by a central angle. So, hindi na siya bounded lang by the central angle. Paano kapag ganito, inscribed angle? The vertex lies on the circle 2. Okay? So, this will be it. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye!